In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer browser, favicon, in Squarespace. This small yet powerful element is an essential part of your website's branding, making it instantly recognizable amidst a sea of open tabs. Whether you're a seasoned Squarespace user or just starting out, this guide will help you seamlessly integrate a favicon into your website. First things first, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Squarespace account. This is where the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage. From here, we're going to navigate through a few simple steps to get your favicon set up. The first step involves clicking on the Settings menu. This is where you'll find various options to tweak and fine-tune your website's appearance and functionality. Once you're inside the settings, look for the Website option. Click on it to access a new set of choices specifically tailored to your website's customization needs. Now, here's where we zero in on the task at hand. You'll want to click on Favicon. Although this might sound like a minor detail, a favicon serves as a significant branding element. It helps make your website immediately recognizable, even with numerous browser tabs open. Think of it as the finishing touch that ties your entire brand together, a small but mighty feature. Once you've clicked on favicon, you'll see a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. This action will prompt two options to appear: Upload File or Select from Library. If you have a specific favicon already designed and stored on your computer, you'll want to use the Upload File option. On the other hand, if you have already uploaded it to your library on Squarespace, you can simply select it from there. It's all about choosing what works best for you. After you've decided on the appropriate option, locate your favicon. This might require a bit of browsing through your files or library, especially if you have numerous images saved. Once you find the right one, you're almost done. Click Save to apply your changes. By following these steps, you've successfully added a custom browser favicon to your Squarespace site. Remember, while it might seem small or insignificant, a favicon is a branding powerhouse. Its presence can strengthen your brand's professional look and help your website stand out among countless open tabs. So, congratulations on taking this step toward a more polished, cohesive online presence. If you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from enhancing their website branding. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.